So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check your screen time on official Instagram application. By checking this you can manage your screen times to save some time for you. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application in your smartphone. Once you go open it, you have to go to the profile option here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go to your profile, you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner. Just click on it. Here you see option of your activity right there. Click on this, and from here you see the time spent option at the most top of the screen. Click on this option, and here you see daily average of Instagram usage and day wise also how much you have used the Instagram application. You can set the reminders to take break as well. You can see I can check how much time I have spent it on the Instagram application, or by tapping on the bars right there you can set the daily time limit of which you want to use the Instagram application, or you can disable the notifications so that nobody could disturb you while you were working or doing something else. So that's a very quick and informative video for you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such interesting and helpful videos.